Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to edit Reddit profile, you come to the right place. So first of all, you need to go to your Reddit and you need to log into your Reddit account. So what you can do now? You can click on your profile menu in the top right corner and here click on settings. I prefer do it from settings. So now we can click on profile. And here we can edit our profile, such as we can change our display name. Changing your display name won't change your username, but people who read your comments, posts, and others will read your display name. You can add about description, so write something about you, what you like, how old you are, and other stuff. Also, you can edit your avatar. So click here. You can download image from this option, and you can select or create your avatar banner. Banner you can't buy, but you can download. So just simply click here and choose the banners you would like to use. Also, you can add social links, for example, on Reddit, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch, Facebook, YouTube, and others. And you can choose two options: show active communities and mark as mature. If you choose mark as mature, it will label your profile as not safe for work and assures it's unacceptable to people under 18. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.